I'm often asked why we do what we do and how our diverse activities are connected. The answer is that A.T.E is fundamentally a social enterprise, working towards societal goals through business efforts. We've stayed true to our history and our roots while envisioning a future that fits the planet's needs. We provide best-in-class solutions for products we all need. Components and machines made by A.T.E and its partners have likely contributed to the fabrics you use in your daily life. As we grew, we expanded into other areas, always considering India's development. Around 2008, we began focusing on global issues like the environment, safety, and health. This led to our ventures in energy efficient cooling, wastewater treatment, the Internet of Things for sustainability, and a range of solvent control, anti-static, and vision-based products that reduce waste and promote safety. Our solutions help clients reduce their carbon and water footprints and the intensity of their material use. At A.T.E, we contribute through sustainability, through our products, and by sharing our experiences as a sustainable company. And at the core of A.T.E's thinking is always people. And that is why our corporate motto is partnering people and the planet. A.T.E solutions can help you reduce your carbon footprint. Our cooling solutions from HMX are energy efficient and enhance indoor air quality. Our wastewater treatment solutions at A.T.E Huber use anaerobic digestion, the most energy efficient method. TerraSpin's bearings save energy in yarn production. EcoAxis's IoT suite identifies waste and energy use, helping clients save energy and water. We also focus on recycling and waste reduction. Our textile engineering group offers recycling solutions for materials, while Axis Valence reduces production waste. All our solutions are people-friendly, ensuring they promote health and productivity. We aim to be carbon neutral by 2027 and are already water positive. Our non-profit partnership, the A.T.E Chandra Foundation, works on environmental and human development projects such as rejuvenating water bodies, promoting regenerative farming, supporting afforestation and conservation efforts, and urban planning. We are honored that our solutions are trusted by many pioneering companies across the globe. For over 85 years, a few thousand tech-savvy mills have placed their trust in us. We have successfully implemented more than 300 wastewater treatment and recycling projects worldwide, supporting many environment-friendly companies. Our HMX cooling solutions are now in use over 20 million square feet for global players in more than 10 countries, and this number is growing rapidly. There's a growing chance that your household items or your favorite snacks are protected by packaging processed with Axis Valence's equipment before they reach you. Our IoT solutions enable continuous monitoring and therefore continuous improvement of efficiency, resulting in a reduced environmental footprint as experienced by these early adopters. I joined A.T.E in the mid-1990s and learned about the A.T.E way through detailed conversations with colleagues on numerous occasions. And that was how we first articulated together our A.T.E values: care, commitment, openness, and innovation. These values guide us in everything we do. At A.T.E, people are the most important part of our business. And by people, I mean our team, the team of our customers, and everyone our business touches. We are proud of the long tenures of our colleagues and the multi-generational relationships we have built. We believe in working together with our team, customers, and vendors to create a sustainable future. That is why our core philosophy is partnering people and the planet.